Hello, guys, welcome to Motivation Monday. And this is a diary that I bought last year in the beginning of 2021. And I share with you guys of how this year is gonna be the whole of the ambitious one and everything. We started sharing about the points, about the daily work that we need to do, and all of this accordingly we had planned on our work and we were proceeding that way. So what happened eventually that Ideal Bibliotheca stopped making videos? What happened eventually that the pages went so blank? It's all in the starting, it's all so much filled up with all the highlighters and everything that we had discussed. And eventually in all these times there were hardly anything written, and if you can see in the pattern, there are days when things were better, we stood up, we worked, and again we went down to all the blank pages in our diary. But this is not something that is just with me. I think this is something that is there with a lot of people out there, and that is why I wanted to discuss with you people of why this happened and how can you bring this out and stand back again to what you actually want and desire in your life. My December calendar, all blank, all clean and very neatly put up. Similar is the case with my November. Still a little bit of writing was there because I really wanted to bring up and everything, and if you can look at it, see, I even made all the timetable of what I'm supposed to do at what time, but still it wasn't enough. If you look at IB's channel, even IB was very inconsistent with everything. So now let's discuss over what all things we need to work on so that this year, this is not the scenario that until February we are so consistent and after that things just go very inconsistent, and very indisciplinary actions are something that are focused on. So let's begin with this Motivation Monday. So the first thing that we have to look on, that what do we do to keep ourselves so much motivated that we end up doing everything from our day that we have to. So the first thing that you really need to focus on is yourself. Yes guys, if you are very determined to not deviate from yourself, you will never ever deviate, because yes, there were times when most of the time I wanted to study, I wanted to work, and I had time that I could use, but I didn't, which was unlike the case in my Januaries and Februaries where I used every inch of my time to complete my set targets. So the first thing that you need to work on is yourself. In this yourself, you need to work on your time, you need to work on your communication, and you need to work on your moods. You cannot let your moods hamper your other tasks of the day. And for that, you need to work on yourself every day. So every day, let's try bringing in exercises. Let's try bringing in meditation or some calmness or some runouts or anything that helps our hormones to develop and in return help us to stay motivated. And let's bring in a time for self-reflection, that where did we go wrong today and where can we work in the next day. The second thing that we need to work on is our study timetable. Why our timetable? Because if we keep the whole of the exhausting timetable, what it's gonna do is it will take us to a few distance very rapidly, maybe better than the other competitors. But after that, it will bring us down. How? Because see, when here I had it the whole of the January, I could really work on everything. But after that, it just took me down very badly, because after that I couldn't, comply with my routine, and accordingly I went down because I was tired with all the energy that I had given in the first month of the year. So what we need to do is we need to bring out a timetable that we are very consistent with, which is light and which is helpful also and goes for the long run. So we need to bring up a long run timetable. So in that we also include all of this, and we include our study pattern also. So I think these two things are very important that we bring into our limelight. The third thing that we need to do is our organizing. Why organizing? Because let me tell you guys, when I was in my January period, when I was doing everything according to my days and times, I had all my books assigned, I had all my works assigned, I had my tasks compiled. I knew when to produce a video, when to make a video, and when to upload it. So my uploads were consistent, my posts were consistent, the daily MCQs were consistent, and everything. But it came down eventually because why? Because my organizing deprived, my organizing deproved, and accordingly things were done very badly. So this is one thing that you need to work on. Back then I knew how my assignments have to be done, how work have to be controlled, and how things have to be worked out, and accordingly I made a plan for myself and worked eventually out with it. But with, like I said, sooner or later things actually did not go according to my way. So that was the motivation that was required. So this is what I'm talking of, guys. This is very, very, very important. So in this motivation video for the next one whole week, let's completely work on this let's completely work on the timetable, let's completely work on the organizing, and let's meet in the next motivation video to see where did we actually thrive and where were we lagging down and how was this week actually functioning. So this is it with the video today. Try focusing on all these three, try focusing on everything, and if you find any improvement in yourself, do let me know in the comment section, or do let me know in the DMs at my channel, which is the Instagram existence of Ideal Bibliotheca with the name at UPSC Target. So you can come here, you can let me know, and if you have any doubt, any further questions, you can again contact me here or in the comment section below. Thank you for listening to the whole video. I hope that you got some useful information, tips and things from it, and let's meet the next week very soon with all the consistency that we'll have, so that this time we do not lose out, neither me nor you. Thank you.